In first version of sales chart video, you heard about planning of target and to achieve. What happened in the sales or marketing? Very difficult task is to get demotivated. You got 5 appointments in a day. You knock the door of 5 customers and you presented yourself and your product, and it was concluded at the end of the hour, 2 hour wasting with him, that he is not interested. So you become the victim of the no mind. Wherever you are going, putting your time, investing your time, and finally it's a waste of time, and then you are hearing no. Again going to the third appointment, there also you are getting the similar kind of the approach, and then you are getting disappointed by what to do. Wherever I am going, people are wasting my time hearing me, and then finally they are saying no, we are not interested in the product. Very important mantra, very important sales mantra is first to keep on charging and motivating yourself. very first and foremost. जंग आप तभी जीतेंगे जब आप जिंदा रहेंगे. सेल्स में आप तभी रहेंगे, टारगेट आप तभी अचीव करेंगे जब भी आप अपने आप को सेल्फ मोटिवेट करके रखेंगे. कितने भी निगेटिव वातावरण आपके सामने आ जाए, वट एवर काइंड ऑफ द निगेटिव प्रॉब्लम्स यू आर फेसिंग, you have to keep it in mind that let me listen the no and no, because meaning of no is not no. For you, for sales guy, for marketing guy, meaning of no is no. Meaning of no is next opportunity. N-O, no. Don't read N-O, no. Read the no, N-O, as next opportunity. As soon as you are getting a hit from your customer that no, I will not buy this product, and he is not entertaining you, then you don't lose your heart. You recharge yourself as if you got the hit on your knee, and again you got up, and again you starting your journey. Again you reach to the next, and then here there also after your Herculean effort you are not able to sell. Then you are facing environment, negative environment, and no is coming to your medulla oblongata. Then again you are getting disappointed. अरे भाई क्या करें? What answer I can give it to my people, my bosses? Then again you recall that no. In our training program, Dr. Srivastava has advised and given new definition that N-O, no means next opportunity. Next opportunity after each hit on your knee. Again, have courage, conviction and strength to get up, move ahead. Get up, move ahead. Maybe that after wasting your whole day or any type of the day, you may bag some target, you may sell something which is very much motivated to you. Don't get disappointed again and again. Again and again, don't get disappointed. You have to be like a struggler. You have to set in your mind. You have to set in your mind that you are overcoming from the bell of struggler to a sea of success. बेल ऑफ स्ट्रगलर यानी कुएं में संघर्ष करने से अच्छा यू पुट अ एफर्ट एंड यू बिकम द सी ऑफ द सक्सेस ऑफ ए माइंड लाइक यू. कीप on putting your efforts and efforts. Check, observe your shortcoming. Why customer is not giving time to you, or even after giving time, what is the shortcoming in the product, what is the problem you and your product is facing. Try to discuss with the top management, your boss, remove it, again come in the market and understand the mood of the need of the client. What happened? Sales people, they force to take the product using the tactics by hook or by crook. Don't do this. You keep it in your mind that you have to develop a relation with your client through which you need to understand the need of the client, customize his need and reach to a position that you can give the product of his choice. Once you sold the relation, then product will be selling itself. But if you are not able to own the relation, you are forcing and dumping the product, hopefully you won't be able to sell it. Thus you cannot achieve the target. But if you establish a good relation, healthy relation with your client, if you can sell your good behavior, good competency to your client, you automatically sold those things which were not even sellable. So in the sales, client relation is the very important. In this CD, this much. In another, we will meet with the other topics. See you until then. Bye.